everyone, so today we are going to look at duplicating items. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a shape. So I have a shape here and I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to put it in there. So then I have a shape. On my keyboard, I'm going to hit the buttons CTRL D, which will duplicate it. I can also right click and copy paste. Now, let's say I want to duplicate both of these. I'm going to select both of them. So I'm going to do a Marquee Select, which in order to do a Marquee Select, I can click and drag down and it will select all the things that are there. I can also hold down my Control key and select the items that I want to have. So then I'm going to do it again. I'm going to hit Control D. And again, I can move these to where I want them. And I can also go ahead and select all these again. And if I want to go ahead and edit those, I can do that. I can edit all of them at one time. Let's say I want them all to have a black border. I want them to all be transparent. And I want the line to be thicker so that they pop a little bit more. And they're all there. Let's say I want to duplicate these again because I want to have the same set on the other side. I will select them, duplicate again. So again, I did Control D. Okay, and let's say I want to also add in some arrows. So I'm going to go to my shape tool and I'm going to click arrows. I'm going to put in one arrow right here. And I can, of course, adjust my color, my line color. And again, I'll hit Control D. It'll duplicate it. I can use my arrows to move it. And just to save time, I'm going to duplicate two at one time. That way, it saves me a little bit of time and I can just drag them to where I want them. Okay, I hope that helps you when creating your items.